Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you a DIY gold tassel garland tutorial and we hope that you like it. So these are the things that you'll need, and I just want to let you know they're inexpensive. They cost me around £3 to make, so it's not going to break the bank. So right now I'm folding the garland. You need it to be sort of circular at the top, and I'm just preparing the cable ties here for the next step. They do need to be quite snug just to make it easier for us to maneuver in the next step. So now you're going to thread them over the top and pull them, but not too tightly, as we're going to need to thread another cable tie through, but I'll be demonstrating that next. So repeat this step with all 15 of your tassels. Now thread the second cable tie through the bottom. It will look a bit like an L shape at the moment, and we're then going to attach to our beaded garland, which I'm going to show you now. So I've left about a 5 centimetre gap in between. You don't have to do this, it's your preference, it's your garland, but I just did this based on the amount of items that I had, and I wanted it to look quite full. So as you can see here now, I'm pulling the cable tie, but it's quite taut, just so that it's as secure as possible. Give it a little shake. So as you can now see, all of our 9 garlands are on the string. Cut away the cable tie now, as you want this to be as invisible as possible. This might be a bit tricky, so I would recommend, if you have somebody to help you, they can hold the bottom or tie a hairband around, as you don't want to cut away. Leave some bead at the end for hanging purposes, and there we have it, our finished garland. We've hung it in the window for aesthetic purposes. It looks great in our bedroom, but I mean, it's your garland, you can hang it wherever you like. And for future videos, please like, subscribe and leave a comment.